What's up, guys? We're doing the final part. Well, maybe the final part, because we only got to number 6 because I had to make the stuff. But let's go back to Beast Wars Simulator. Hopefully this one goes a little faster than the last one. And then I can only record up to 10 minutes, sadly. Hopefully we can go through 38 more codes, I guess. No, 36 more codes. Let's go. Load, diddy, load, diddy, load, diddy, load, load, load. Looks like we need to get this. So yeah, it's kind of glitchy when you first play. It's really glitchy, actually. It doesn't really look that cool, but you can see stuff. Kind of. Right here, let's go. Back to system. Enter the rest of these codes. The next one is Robzy Rampage. Robzy Rampage. Let's redeem that one. I'm a panda now. Yeah, pandas. Attack. Next one is Men. Moons. Let's redeem that one. Find you wealth clock, but yeah, I have a whole lot of things on right now because of all of these codes. Next one is May Retreats. Reading that one. Fighters for boost, all that stuff. Then there's Ping Boost. After this is Crafty. After that, you have to be in the club, which I did in the part 1 video. And to do this one, it's Club Bean. Look at all these quests just all lined up. The next one is Extra Pass. Looks like that one's retired, I'm guessing, because that was when Sunbear came with the boots. Next one is Club Party. Because, yeah, I think you have to be in the club for this one, too. But that one's down, too. That's surprising. I thought that was up still. Next one is Moon Miracle. Oh, this is weird. Yeah, no, a whole lot of codes. 300 million visits. There you go. There's something like that. Then there's 1M favorites. Next is Haste Helper. This one's probably expired. Watch it be expired. Boom. Because that was another Sunbear Quest one. Sun Sample should be expired too, because that was another one of... Yeah. Happy New Year is a new one. I probably can't get it by now. Nope, expired code. Crawlers. This is the next one. These are some old ones though. Then there's Nectar. Oh. Roof. Oh, it should still be in the game. Wax, for one of the first codes. Wink. It's hard to spell. O is EUR. Connoisseur. Tickets. After tickets is Cog. Do we get those tickets? Next one's Cog. More tickets. Yay. Then there's Buzz. 5,000 honey. After Buzz is Botmaster. Let's go. Hopefully it works. It should still work. It's like one of these for everlasting codes. There you go, Botmaster. 38217. 38217. I don't know why it's a code or anything. Maybe it's on its birthday. I'm not really sure. Gravy goodies. Gravy goodies. There's that. Gravy goodies. Magic mittens. Some of these I'm just like a regular person, so I can't use all of them. So next one is Will with gold with 2 O's. After that, we have Discord 50K. Discord 50K. Also known as 50,000. That is a lot of stuff. After that, we have that guy gift. That guy gift. Okay. Then we have a wiki honor. If you don't know, there's a wiki for this. And that does good stuff. Okay, after that, we have Wiki Award Clock, something else. Wiki Award Clock. I think it's another wiki one. We get Wealth Clock plus times 5. That actually is really good. I think let's see. It's somewhere. Some of these are actually really good if you like stack them up. Next one is SD Mittens 1T. Want more stuff? Ace Unhacked Loot. Ace Unhacked Loot.
You want more time?
Okay, so then there's Beesmas Cheer, Gumdrops Defiance, and Terra Treasure. I might not be able to do every one of them. Beesmas Cheer.